going to the next stage, and I don't think I'm going to any other place after this. Okay, there's a photo here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm super excited, I'm super pumped. I'm traveling to 2 or 3 western states this week, and I'm leaving today. Today's day 1. Today's 8th of September, and this is 7:01 a.m. Actually, I'm going with Dami, and we're going to tour some notable tourist attractions in this state. We have a long list, but I don't know if we're going to be able to exhaust it. And you know, as my custom is, I always take you around. Yes, so I'm basically going to be showing you everywhere I go. The first stop is Osun State. Yeah, so we have Osun Osogbo Grove. That's one of the world's heritage sites in mind. Nike Guest House, Nike Art Gallery, the Oni of Ife's Palace, and other beautiful places. I just hope we can cover all these places. So I'm just doing this intro to let you know that I'm about leaving the house, yes, to go meet Dami. And as the journey unfolds, I'm just basically going to take you along. You know how we do it now. So please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on that subscribe button now. Thank you so much. Yes, click on that subscribe button so that you can become a member of this Waka Waka family. I think apart from visiting this place, apart from this particular vlog I'm filming, I'm going to do individual vlogs, individual videos about this place, taking you on a tour of all these places. So sit tight, don't go anywhere. Click on that subscribe button, and for you that has already subscribed, thank you so much. You've got my heart. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you as soon as possible. I'm about heading out of the house to meet with Dami, and then we're going to connect. So see ya. We've actually boarded a vehicle heading to Ilesa. Yes, we are going to Ilesa. Our first stop is Olumirin Waterfall. That's Erin Ijesha Waterfall. We are in the taxi right now, and we're paying 2,000 naira each. The bus charges 1.5, but it looks like the cab is more comfortable. We're ready. Yeah, I'll just keep showing you everything as we go. Oh, we're paying now. Okay. Sorry. Oh, you've not met Dami. This is Damilola. Damilola Ebony Beauty. We are going on this trip together, actually. Yeah, so she's cute. Oh my god. Right? Yeah, we're moving to Erin Ijesha from here. Did you see the pounded yam? Yeah, so we're eating first. So check out the pounded yam. We just want to eat food first, then we can get maybe a bike or a cab down to Erin Ijesha. Yep. Dami, say hi. Hi. So Dami's already eating. Okay guys, so it's time to eat food. Yeah, what's traveling or what's visiting new places without trying out the local delicacies? So I just found out something really interesting, that in Yoruba land, soup is not being sold. Like, they don't sell soup, but they sell the swallow, as they call it. So like, this one is pounded yam. This pounded yam is 100 naira, and the meat is 150 for one, right? Yes, but the soup is not being sold. Like, there's no price tag to the soup. Hello, that is actually so nice. I'm just going to eat now. We're just eating so we can move to Erin Ijesha. So this is the pounded yam, and this is the soup. Mommy, it's okay. It's actually nice. Yeah, the yam is very soft. We had to take a bike from the car park we were to the garage. We went to the garage and we were told that it's going to take a long time before the cab gets filled up. So instead, we're at the express right now waiting for a cab to come along so we can just join them to Erin Ijesha. After waiting on this express for about 15 minutes, we just found a motorcycle rider who is willing to take us to Erin Ijesha, and right now we're on our way to Erin Ijesha for 1,500 naira only. So some women just stopped us. We just want to find out what they want. Thank you, ma.
Yes, ma. I got tickets.
Ticket. Oh, okay.
Tickets 1,000 per person.
Ah. Wow. 1,000.
Check up me for a cup of money. Maybe complimentary. 1,000. As in pay money, shop I come over my phone. Complimentary or more meantime.
I didn't drink or brother auntie cause anything there. I didn't fearless animals. Animals that could smell what I did and Beminas Nadewa. I didn't find biscuits through the end of the I didn't boss us if live and stay pass. Check out my mood drink for.
Eh? What we paid 1,000 naira. You have to pay 1,000
Check out my mood drink.
Show me 200. Let's say
any drink. So I need drink. Nico, send it to tell you Rambe.
So we had to pay 1,000 naira, and we had to pay 1,000 naira, as you can see. I don't know if it's really clear, to access the waterfall. We never knew about this prior to coming here, so this is for you if you've not come here already. Check this out. 1,000 naira. Yeah. Keep your 1,000 naira in your pocket.
Yeah.
When you're coming. Are we good?
Yes, I want to collect water.
Okay, please put. The dog was pursuing our bike. Hello. Hey, Abego.
A local dog.
Seriously?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Dami, hold on. Hold on him.
Are you going too far?
Huh? Too far.
Because you have
Inside.
You have 7 stages of
you have 7
waterfall.
stages of waterfall.
To read that last stage, almost an hour. That's why I'm saying that. Are you going too far because of the bike man?
Oh, okay. We would love to experience it.
Yeah.
Dami. But
is there a bike?
Is there a bike we
Yeah,
can
yeah,
take where we
yeah.
are going?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let him go.
Okay. No problem then. So, are you guys going to take us to the service?
Yeah.
Wow, nice. Yeah, I'm so excited.
What do you mean by nice? You think it's good?
Oh, okay, so we are at Erin Ijesha right now. This is the gate. This is the main entrance. Can you see it? Yeah. Wait, did I just see video or camera? 2,000 naira. It turns out phone cameras are allowed. Yeah, you can make videos and take pictures with your phone without paying any amount. Right now, we want to write our names. I think it's basically just Dami writing her name. Yeah. So this is the first stop when you enter inside the compound that houses the waterfall. Yeah.
I want to number 7. You have 7 stages.
We'll try.
Please, can you see this place? This is the 5th floor. That up there. Like I haven't climbed it. We see all this place. You see the whole community. You can see far away from the Iješa Waterfalls. Ilesa, even Highway Express. The White Macaricum.
So, like, you can stand there and see.
Yeah, you see the whole place.
Okay. What is your name, please?
My name is Osun.
Yeah. Can you tell me a little bit about Erin Ijesha?
The Erin Ijesha, discovered by hunter.
Okay.
The name of the hunter is Akonjo Abela.
Okay.
This hunter migrated from Ilesa with Yaya Akinla. It's one of Esho. You know meaning of Esho?
Yeah, a guard.
Guide of our
Of
king.
Yeah.
The
King's
name of
guard.
the king is Akinla from Ilesa. From Ilesa, in the only days before he left Ilesa, he conserved the oracle. Oracle said the place will reach 17 days of journey. That is our destination.
Okay.
That's our song.
Yeah.
If I saw one people come out in and Tadinogun, do you hear Yoruba?
No, English is better because we are filming him and she does not understand Yoruba.
He said the place trek for 17 days. That is their destination. From there, he came from Ilesa. He reached this Erin Ijesha.
Okay.
From there, all the food carried from Ilesa, all the food is finished.
Okay.
That hunter come to this place. All this place is a very dark forest. They come to this place to come and hunt, come and find bushmeat
Okay.
to kill.
Okay.
Now you hear the sound of the water. If you can listen very well, can you hear the sound of the water?
Yeah, we can hear it.
That is the sound of the Akonjo Abela here. That time, now we discovered this place.
Okay.
Yeah. If you can see this spot, this is the symbol of the 7th floor. You can't get there. That's why I did this thing for you.
Oh, okay.
Can you see this thing? Can
Yes.
you see?
Well, you said we can't get to the 7th floor.
People used to
You can get the 7th floor, but you can't see this. Actually, this spot. You can't see it.
Okay. Wait, you can't see this spot from the 7th floor?
Yeah, you can't see it because that place far is still far. This spot is in Ekiti side. You can even from here, you can even trek to Ekiti.
Yeah, I heard it.
Wow.
Yeah, if you want to go now, I can even take you there. That you reach village, you see people like us.
What's the name of the village?
Obake.
Obake.
Yeah.
That's nice.
So what do you call this spot now?
Eh?
So this spot is the symbol of
The source of the water.
The source of the water.
It's rock
Okay.
at top. It's not called like this. Just rock. Just form like this.
You per step 1,000 naira.
Yeah, we can even ask for our manager.
That's wrong.
No.
You people should not be doing like that. Oh.
Okay,
So, how much do you
it's
say it
actually-
is?
He said it's 1,000 naira per step.
1,000 naira per step.
Yeah.
Uncle, you know it's not.
Okay, how much
No
you want
follow
to
now.
That's wrong. That's not good.
Jesus Christ. I'll not go back to Ibadan like that.
Can you see this staircase? If you watch your Adekunle Gold oriented video, now this place should the video oriented.
Adekunle Gold.
Adekunle Gold, yeah. If you watch this one, no, John and Paul, Peace Care, is that Peace Care? Come here to shoot.
Peter and Paul.
Yeah, Peter and Paul. I can't shoot the video from here. Before you go, you can even see a lot of artists come here, come and shoot the video before you go. You see a lot of people.
This is water from the waterfall, right?
Yes, that is the waste of the water at the water reservoir for us here.
Okay. Okay guys, I'm at Erin Ijesha right now, Olumirin Waterfall. And this is actually the beginning of the steps. I don't know if you can see. Yes, from what the tour guide mentioned, there are 7 steps. And it's very difficult to get to the 7th step. That's the 7th layer. I don't think we're going to be able to reach there today. Anyways, he just mentioned that he charges 1,000 naira per step. That is, if he takes you to the first step, you pay 1,000 naira. So we told him the price is actually very ridiculous. He now agreed that he's going to get 1,000 naira from both of us to get to the 2nd step. So I don't know which layer we'll be able to reach, but anyhow it is, we'll try as much as possible to make sure that we enter the water. I have my swimming trunk in my bag, and I have a shower cap. Those are the things you're going to need when you come here. Or foam slippers. Yeah, so you can wear it to enter the water because you don't want to ruin your shoes. I'll just keep you posted as we go along. Remember, I paid 1,000 naira at the entrance. Yeah, so you can already hear the sound of the water. I don't know if you can hear that. It's getting exciting, really, and I'm sweating. I'm panting. I know. Yeah. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. Dami and the tour guide going in front, and I'm just following them at the back. Wait, he said that's the what?
He said that's the water they drink in the community.
Which one?
The from the waterfall.
Wow. So the tour guide also mentioned that this is the water that is being drunk in this community. Yeah. So this is what the place looks like. This is more like hiking, so I think you have to just try as much as possible to keep fit before coming here. Yep, because your girl is already panting. Whoa. There are bubbles here. Right. It's still coming out. This is so nice. We're at the first layer right now, and I'm going to show you the water gushing out from the rocks. Yep. Of the waterfall. This is what it looks like. It is so beautiful. Trust me, it is so cute. So this is the first stage, and right now we're heading up to the 2nd stage. See ya! Excuse me, sir. Dami! Okay, here. Yes! This is so beautiful! of the Olumirin Waterfall. This is it. And I heard as we progress, the water keeps gushing more and more. So I think we're going to head to the first stage. Yeah, so you can see what it looks like. Before we go in and take a bath. Yes, because I am so bathed in this waterfall today. I mean, I gotta do it. So it's actually really exciting. This is one of the places you should come to. It is so awesome. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when we go to the next thing. For now, see ya. Let me just do. Yeah, so we're about climbing the third and the fourth stage. So he said I cannot record in this part because the stairs are very slippery. This is the way leading up to the third stage. And so we have to be very careful. Yeah. So I'll try to see if I can capture it. Let's go. So we're done with the second stage. Yeah. This side is steep. So we are actually heading to the third and fourth stage right now. I hope you can still see it. I can't show you my face because I'm trying to be careful. Yeah. Dami. Oh, okay. Be careful. Dami is coming. It's actually really exciting. So if you are up for some sort of adventure, this is the place for you. My leg. Guys, my legs hurt.
This guy.
I haven't worked out in a long while.
Wicked.
So
Our guide is wicked. He said we have not seen anything.
he said we've not seen anything yet. Can you imagine?
What's down?
Guys, wait, are we going up there?
Huh?
Okay, we can pass here, right? And turn. No, there's this place. I can't check it out. See where he's going through. And this is where I am going through. Let me go for the one I know. Yeah. Wow, that is steep. Jeez. After this, I'm not going to the next stage. Trust me. I haven't worked out in a long while, so this is really difficult for me. I'm panting and I'm really sweating. And the sun is not even shining on me. This is crazy. Wow. I'm going to the next stage, and I don't think I'm going to any other place after this. Wow. Yeah. Wow. We just got to the third level of the waterfall. You can see it's higher than the other one, and the water here is more than the other one too. So take a look. I'm going to change into my swimsuit and enter the water, because if I don't, my coming here is not complete. Yeah, so I need to bath inside this water, and we're not going to go further. I think this stage is okay. This stage is actually very, very Okay, yeah, and I'm really tired. I'm sweating, so I just need to wash off the sweat. See you guys later. So guys, we are done at the waterfall and we're just heading back to the entrance. Yeah. So I'll give you all the other gist later. Let me just try to go down and meet every other person. Okay, so we're done at Olumirin Waterfall, aka Erin Ijesha Waterfall, and right now we're heading out. Yep, like we're done. done, Abby. We are done. So any other place we're going to, I'll just keep you posted. But I think for today we might just wrap it up here at Erin Ijesha. Yeah, and tomorrow we want to go to OAU, that's Obafemi Awolowo University, Ilesa. Whoa. Yeah. So tomorrow we want to go to OAU and Osun, Osogbo, yeah, and other places. So it was nice going on this journey with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you've not subscribed already, so we can go on more of these adventures together. Yes, it's really exciting. And so you have to know that if you're coming to Erin Ijesha, you have to budget 1,000 naira. Apart from your transportation, yeah, you have to budget 1,000 naira for the entrance fee. And then there are things you need to carry: a shower cap, you can carry your slippers, I think I mentioned rubber slippers, I think I mentioned that earlier. And what else? Yeah, just maybe change of clothes, your swimsuit and all, if you would want to enter the water. Yeah. So another thing you should know is that the tour guide mentioned we are supposed to pay 1,000 naira per step, but we told him that was not realistic, so we ended up paying 1,500 naira for him to take both of us to the 3 levels. Yeah, and that was where you saw us in the waterfall, in the water, playing around and all that. So I think it's really awesome what they have here. Yeah, so whenever you come to Osun State, make sure you try as much as possible to visit Erin Ijesha Waterfall. And yeah, that's basically it. Oh, I forgot to add that you have to get to Ilesa first. From Ilesa, you proceed to Erin Ijesha Waterfall. You should know that when if you're not staying in Osun State, when you get to Ilesa, you can take a cab or a bike from there to Erin Ijesha Waterfall. The price is going to be on the high side. For both of us, we're charged 1,500 naira from Ilesa to Erin Ijesha Waterfall. Yeah, so that's basically it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will get notified for my next set of videos. See you later. Bye. See me carrying plenty luggages. Okay guys, so we are done at Erin Ijesha Olumirin Waterfall. Yeah, and right now we are going to if we might be able to go to some other place today, but I don't really know where we're going to yet. We might go to OAU, right? We might go to OAU, but whatever it is, I'll let you guys see it. Right now we're waiting to find a cab on the road to see if we can just find a cab that's going to take us to Ife, or a bus. I mean, anything would be awesome at this particular moment. So this is oh, my watch. I think it's like 2. Yeah, I found it. I think it's 2:44. That's almost 3 p.m. Yeah, we just finished at Erin Ijesha. We came here around, I can't remember the exact time we arrived. Around to 12, right? Around some minutes to 12. Yes, that was when we arrived here. Ife. Oh, okay. So that's basically it, guys. Anyhow it is, I'll just keep you posted on wherever we go next. So peace. How much did you say?
He said 1,000.
1,000, sir.
No, now. 500.
500. Lagos. So right now we are heading to Ife, and we're being told to pay 500 naira. Can you hold this for me? Thank you. And this. Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you. Wow. Okay, thanks, love. So we finally found a bus and we're heading to Ife right now. As I mentioned, we're being charged 500 naira. Because they know we are not from here, right? Because he actually saw the face of his stranger. So he's told us 1,000 first. So, anyways, we're heading to Ife right now. See ya.